In primetime news tonight, gang initiation. Shocking details revealed about what it entails.
We want to move. Residents affected by air pollution in St. Elizabeth seeking relocation.
And 2 dead following murder-suicide in St. Andrew community.
Hello and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, and Andrea Chisholm has our preview.
Well, we're asking this evening, is that how they flow? Several trade unions across the region are speaking out against injustices by telecommunications company Flow. Their concerns later in the business day. Okay,
thank you, Andrea. From Andrea, we go to Jermaine with sports.
Thank you, Herman. Well, the CONCACAF Gold Cup draw was made today. The Reggae Boys have been placed in Group C, and we'll tell you who will join them in Group C a bit later on.
All right, there's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we are asking, what do you think can be done to tackle the increase in domestic violence in Jamaica?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after the break.